Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Japan is hollowing out a mountain. Follow me as I break down the main drivers, engineering choices, environmental trade-offs, and community impacts. I will cover tunnel design, drainage, seismic safeguards, cost drivers, and social responses in clear, simple language you can use to understand policy and infrastructure debates. Engineers choose alignments that respect rock layers and faults, then select supports to control movement and water. Excavation sequences, monitoring sensors, and adaptive reinforcement keep workers safe and limit surprises. Ventilation, drainage, and maintenance access are designed up front so the tunnel remains functional for decades, balancing upfront cost with long-term resilience and lower disruption compared to surface alternatives. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: I love those leak-proof containers for meal prep. They seal tight, stack neatly, and save time when testing food logistics parallels. They're a small, practical upgrade for anyone thinking about packing solutions or storage while traveling or working near projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Hollowing a mountain reshapes landscapes and lives, bringing faster transport, new jobs, and less coastal crowding while posing noise, dust, and habitat challenges. Planners run environmental reviews and community consultations, then add restoration, noise barriers, and compensation. Understanding these trade-offs helps explain why such costly projects proceed. They trade short-term disruption for long-term land use, resilience, and economic connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.